Hi everyone, Mark and Sharon here at Ponderosa Garden Adventures. Today we are at our favorite garden center getting some starts because it's middle of summer, second phase of the gardening season. We are going to plant some starts, so let's get in there and find something for our garden.
Let's go.
Today we are at Walter Andersen Nursery, our favorite garden supply center.
So the main thing we like about this place is it just has this huge selection. Always find something, even if not exactly the thing we're looking for. So we're on the hunt.
Another thing we really love about this nursery is all the wildlife. Every time we go, we see so many butterflies, and there are many hummingbirds everywhere. So I always bring my camera and be sure to take some footage of the beautiful creatures in this nursery. And another thing I like about Andersen's is they have this awesome model train set. It takes up a big section of the property, and they dress it up for the holidays. It wasn't running the day we were there, but here's some footage from last year.
All right, well, I think I've got my haul for today. Add a splash of color to Carfu. I've got oranges and yellows, zinnias, marigolds, some new zinnias for more color later, and some mini pumpkins to plant. Gorgeous colors. I'm going to get started with some more colors. Got a couple bags of potting soil just to get started there in Corfu. I didn't find everything I'm looking for here. It's a little picked over, so I think we might make another stop. We're back now. We've got our haul. Here's Sharon's. Got the, what are these named? Watermelons. We've got
These are sugar
babies.
Yeah, these are sugar baby watermelon, and I've got hail, cantaloupe, and some Jack B. little pumpkins.
And some color. These are begonia?
No, these are, I never remember the name of these. These are actually a type of succulent, and so you get the nice color without, these are, Conocloa. These are Conocloa.
Yeah, I never heard of that Conocloa.
Yeah, we have some that's orange that,
stock.
that,
What's age?
that is white sage.
This is white sage. This is quite beautiful. I really like it.
White sage. So
It'd be really nice. And over here, I've got like a splash of color for Corfu. I've got zinnias, marigolds, more zinnias. These are pumpkins for the back arch, and then just, this is kale, different color kale, more ornamental than for eating. I may eat some of it, but most of it, it's mainly as a decoy for Mr. Bunny. And I've got gloves for working around the rose bushes. We're going to be cleaning the rose bushes up front, and some potting soil. So we are set for the next week at least. Thanks for watching Ponderosa Garden Adventures. We'll see you next time.